everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video of Yummy Bakes. Today we are going to make dalgona cake. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's check out the ingredients for the coffee sponge cake. We need half cup flour, 1 tablespoon oil, half cup powdered sugar, 1 pinch baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, 2 eggs, coffee mixture. For that we need 1/4 cup warm milk mixed with 2 tablespoon coffee, half teaspoon vanilla essence. Now we have every ingredients. Let's make the batter for the cake. Into a sieve, add the flour, baking soda, baking powder and a pinch of salt and sieve it at least 3 times. Take another bowl and beat the eggs. In between, add sugar slowly. Beat till it becomes creamy. Add the vanilla essence and oil and beat again. Add the sieved powders into it and mix it well in a cut and fold method and add coffee mixture into it. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Once you have mixed well, pour the batter into a cake mold. Bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes or until a fork inserted to the center comes out clean. The cake is ready and as you can see, it's very soft. Now we can make our dalgona candy. Let's check out the ingredients. We need half cup sugar. Now let's prepare the candy. First, we need to caramelize the sugar. Once it is caramelized, add 1 tablespoon honey and just mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, turn off the flames and mix well. Pour the caramel mixture into a tray which has baking paper. Now we have our dalgona candy. Take 3/4 of the candy and grind it with a grinder and crush the rest. Whip the cream in a chilled bowl. Once the cream is a little thick, add the grinded dalgona candy into it and whip well. On a cake board, paste some cream on the center and place the cake on top. Brush the cake with boiled and cooled coffee sugar syrup. For the coffee sugar syrup, we need 1 cup water, half cup sugar and 1 or 2 teaspoon coffee powder. Don't forget to cut the cake in layers. Put cream on top and spread it out evenly. Add mixed nut and the crushed dalgona candy on top. The nuts is optional. Place another layer of the cake and repeat the process. On the final layer, crumb coat the cake by adding little cream on top and side and spread it evenly. After crumb coating, keep the cake in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. While the cake is in the freezer, we can make dalgona cream. For that we need water, sugar and coffee powder each of 2 tablespoons. Beat it until it becomes creamy. Once it becomes creamy, add little whipped cream and mix it well. Once you took the cake from the freezer, using a piping bag, pipe the normal whipping cream along the base 2 times. Again using another piping bag, make 2 layers of dalgona cream. Using a scraper, smoothen the sides of the cake. Pipe the remaining normal whipping cream on top. Spread it evenly. Dip the spatula in a hot water and clean it with a tissue and smoothen the cake out. Repeat this after every smoothing of the cake. You can do any designs on top of the cake. And there we go, we have our dalgona cake. Please do try this at your home and comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.